Hello, let's do Wordle number 960, and today's theme is Unity, and Brutkin suggested games and scene. And if you're confused, it's because Unity is the name of a popular game engine that, especially among indie devs, but not just indie devs, will use the Unity game engine to create all sorts of games. And scenes are kind of a fundamental building block within the Unity game engine. All right, so there are two E's, that's very nice, and there's a G. And we're kind of running out of places to put the E. So I'm thinking like, I don't know, my initial thought is EDGE. So wedge, maybe? It could be wedge, it could be hedge, it could be ledge. So we might be walking into a trap here, but let's try let's try ledge, because getting the L will be helpful regardless. Oh, okay, so not the edge trap, but I was right about where the G goes. Huh, so maybe something like ERGE? Verge? Can't be merge. Purge is not spelled with an E. All right, let's try verge then. Oh, hey, that was it. Nice. All right, well, I walked right into a trap that didn't exist, but it did help quite a bit. Let's see. I can't really link ledge and verge to the Unity game engine, but yeah, I don't have to. Cool. Well, let's spin the wheel of themes and see what tomorrow brings us. So if you don't know how this works, you're welcome to leave a comment if you don't have a theme on the wheel already, and I will add it to the wheel. And also, for tomorrow, you can suggest a two-word start, any two words you'd like that are accepted by Wordle that are related to Valentine's Day, which was suggested by a Sarah Lawlin. So comment two words related to Valentine's Day. If you don't have a theme on the wheel, feel free to comment a suggestion for a theme. And of course, if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.